present. He is a doctor. He is a not doctor. Is he a doctor? Is he a not doctor? Why is he a doctor? Why is he not doctor? Simple past. He was a doctor. He was a not doctor. Was he a doctor? Was he a not doctor? Why was he a doctor? Why was he not doctor? Simple future. He will be a doctor. He will be not doctor. Will he be a doctor? Will he not be a doctor? Why will he be a doctor? Why will he be not doctor? Use of there in present. There is a boy in the room. There is a not boy in the room. Is there a boy in the room? Is there a boy not in the room? Why is there a boy in the room? Why is there a boy not in the room? Use of there in past. There was a boy in the room. There was a boy in the room. There was a not boy in the room. Was there a boy in the room? Was there a not boy in the room? Why was there a boy in the room? Why was there not a boy in the room? Use of there in future. There will be a boy in the room. There will not be a boy in the room. Will there a boy in the room? Will there not be a boy in the room? Why will there a boy in the room? Why will there be not be a boy in the room? Use of can. Can he go? He can go. He cannot go. Can he go? Can he not go? Why can he go? Why can he not go? Use of could. He could go. He could not go. Could he go? Could he not go? Why could he go? Why could he not go? Use of should. He should go. He should not go. Should he go? Should he not go? Why should he go? Why should he not go? Use of should have. He should have gone. He should not have gone. Should he have gone? Should he not have gone? Why should he have gone? Why should he not have gone? Present tense. Present indefinite tense. He goes to market. He goes to market. He does not go to market. Does he go to market? Does he not go to market? Does he go to market? Does he not go to market? Why does he go to market? Why does he not go to market? I go to market. I do not go to market. Do I go to market? Do I not go to market? Why do I go to market? Why do I not go to market? Past indefinite tense. He went to market. He did not go to market. Did he go to market? Did he not go to market? Why did he go to market? Why did he not go to market? Future indefinite tense. He will go to market. He will not go to market. Will he go to market? Will he not go to market? Why will he go to market? Why will he not go to market? Present continuous tense. He is going to market. He is not going to market. Is he going to market? Is he not going to market? Why is he going to market? Why is he not going to market? Past continuous tense. He was going to market. He was not going to market. Was he going to market? Was he not going to market? Why was he going to market? Why was he not going to market? Future continuous tense. He will be going to market. He will not be going to market. Will he be going to market? Will he not be going to market? Why will he be going to market? Why will he be not going to market? Present perfect tense. He has gone to market. He has gone to market. He has not gone to market. Has he gone to market? Has he not gone to market? Why has he gone to market? Why has he not gone to market? Past perfect tense. He had gone to market. He had not gone to market. Had he gone to market? Had he not gone to market? Why had he gone to market? Why had you not gone to market? Future perfect tense. Will have gone to market. Will have not gone to market. Will have gone. Will he have gone to market? Will he not have gone to market? Why will he have gone to market? Why will he not have gone to Why will he not have gone to market? Present perfect continuous tense. He has been writing a letter for 2 hours. He has not been writing a letter for 2 hours. Has he been writing a letter for 2 hours? Has he not been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why has he been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why has he not been writing a letter for 2 hours? Past perfect continuous tense. He had been writing a letter for 2 hours. He had not been writing a letter for 2 hours. Had he been writing a letter for 2 hours? Had he not been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why had he been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why had he not been writing a letter for 2 hours? Future perfect continuous tense. He will have been writing a letter for 2 hours. He will not have been writing a letter for 2 hours. Will he have been writing a letter for 2 hours? Will he not have been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why will he have been writing a letter for 2 hours? Why will he not have been writing a letter for 2 hours? Passive voice in present tense, present indefinite. A letter is written by him. A letter is not written by him. Is a letter written by him? Is a letter not written by him? Why is a letter written by him? Why is a letter not written by him? Past indefinite tense, passive voice. A letter was written by him. A letter was not written by him. Was a letter written by him? Was a letter not written by him? Why was a letter written by him? Why was a letter not written by him? Future indefinite tense, passive voice. A letter will be written by him. A letter will not be written by him. Will a letter be written by him? Will a letter not be written by him? Why will a letter be written by him? Why will a letter not be written by him? A present continuous tense, passive voice. A letter is being written by him. A letter is not being written by him. Is a letter being written by him? Is a letter not being written by him? Why is a letter being written by him? Why is a letter not being written by him? Past continuous tense, passive voice. A letter was being written by him. A letter was not being written by him. Was a letter being written by him? Was a letter not being written by him? Why was a letter being written by him? Why was a letter not being written by him? Present perfect tense, passive voice. A letter has been written by him. A letter has not been written by him. Has a letter been written by him? Has a letter not been written by him? Why has a letter been written by him? Why has a letter not been written by him? Past perfect tense. A letter had been written by him. A letter had not been written by him. Had a letter been written by him? Had a letter not been written by him? Why had a letter been written by him? Why had a letter not been written by him? A future perfect tense, passive voice. A letter will have been written by him. A letter will not have been written by him. Will a letter have been written by him? Will a letter not have been written by him? Why will a letter have been written by him? Why will a letter not have been written by him? Use of can in passive voice. A letter can be written by him. A letter can not be written by him. Can a letter be written by him? Can a letter not be written by him? Why can a letter be written by him? Why can a letter not be written by him? Use of could in passive voice. A letter could be written by him. A letter could not be written by him. Could a letter be written by him? Could a letter not be written by him? Why could a letter be written by him? Why could a letter not be written by him? Use of should. A letter should be written by him. A letter should not be written by him. Should a letter be written by him? Should a letter not be written by him? Why should a letter be written by him? Why should a letter not be written by him? Should have in passive voice. A letter should have been written by him. A letter should not have been written by him. Should a letter have been written by him? Should a letter not have been written by him? Why should a letter have been written by him? Why should a letter not? Why should a letter not have been written by him? Desire grammar in present. He wants to write a letter. He does not to. He does not want to write a letter. Does he want to write a letter? Does he not want to write a letter? Why does he want to write a letter? Why does he not want to write a letter? And this is grammar past. He wanted to write a letter. He did not want to write a letter. Did he want to write a letter? Did he not want to write a letter? Why did he want to write a letter? Why did he not want to write a letter? And this is grammar in future. He would like to write a letter. He would not like to write a letter. Would he like to write a letter? Would he not like to write a letter? Why would he like to write a letter? Why would he like to not write a letter? And
compulsion. Yes.
Compulsion
In present.
present. Say he has to write a letter. He has to write a letter. He does not have to write a letter. Does he have to write a letter? Does he not have to write a letter? Why does he have to write a letter? Why does he not have to write a letter? Compulsion past. He did write a letter. He had to write a letter. He did not have to write a letter. Did he have to write a letter? Did he not have to write a letter? Why did he have to write a letter? Why did he not have to write a letter? Future. He will have right to write a letter. He will not have to write a letter. Will he have to write a letter? Will he have to not write a letter? Why will he have to write a letter? Why will he not have to write a letter? That's all.